Hey guys, sorry I am outside. I keep forgetting to film my intros, but anyways, I have all the Dr. Pepper feels right now, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I know I look rough. This is the palette I'm going to be using today. It'll be my first time using it. This is, I don't know if you can tell, but it says Fetish, and it's by Kat Von D. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. I swatched it like when I first got it. Like all of these are stunning. Like they're super pigmented and I just like die. Like look how good that is. I'm gonna start off, this is the new product I'm going to use. It's an e.l.f. Eyeshadow eyelid primer. So let's see. I feel like there's nothing in it, but I don't know. It just feels like I put lotion on my eyelid. So if you like that, then you'll love it. I will start off with this one as this thing, whatever you call it. What is that called? The transition, I guess. Okay, what did I say? This one? And it's called Fixation. They have names on them. And I also never used this. The last time I did eyeshadow was like this pinky purple look. And it was kind of cute, but it also kind of looked like a black eye. Not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna go in with the yellow now. So I'm gonna use this one and it's called Sex. And it's getting really hot, so I'm gonna have to put my hair up. I'm gonna use some concealer. We'll see how a cut crease works out because I really don't know what I'm doing. So I have hooded lids, so it's really hard for me to do a cut crease because I don't ever know, how far to go. I'm gonna look up. I think how far I can trace it. Please tell me that's not Okay, so honestly, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. It's like ridiculous how I have to do all of this, but really all you see is this. But that's just how God made me. So I'm gonna put Dominatrix, which is this pink color right here on top of the concealer. Okay, so that's all done. I kid you not. This color is really pretty. I'm definitely gonna have to darken up this crease though because this is too good, and then like these other eyeshadows I put on, it's not on the same level as this pink eyeshadow is. Let me go in with the pink. And this one's called Bondage, this one right here. And it's like a lot of kickback, but I don't care. Let me try some of this yellow. I'm gonna try and pack some of this brown in here. This is called Suspension. Okay, cool. I think that's exactly what it needed. So once it's kind of blended, hopefully it'll look really good. I'm gonna just take a clean brush and blend this out. So I'm gonna add black. This black right here, it's called Rubber. I think it looks good because then with some lashes, it'll really come together. This looks so rough right now. Okay, so what I just did was take the same pink lid color and sprayed it, like wet it, and then just kind of brightened it up again. So I'm gonna do this eye off camera real quick and see how close I can get them, and I will be right back. All right, guys, not gonna lie, that took a way longer than I wanted it to. The eyeshadow was kind of no problem, but these lashes though, like they're very hard for me to put on anyways. I got the Ardell Mega Volume. It's just, the band is so thick. I think it's just as good as these are gonna get, but I love the volume on them. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face though and see how this look ends up.
They're very runny, so be careful. Might get some in my hair. Probably don't need as much. Yeah, put too much on.
I am going to use this Infallible Full Wear. This was another new product.
It is supposed to be like another damp, I believe, for the shake tape, if I'm not mistaken.
That's with my concealers, I always go too light, and then with my foundations, I always go too dark. So there's the concealer. Of course, I gotta set it still. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done with my face other than like highlight and last minute things. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash line real quick. I don't know what I wanna do. Should I do like a completely different color? Or should I keep it the same? Should I do black? I think I'm just gonna keep it the same just to play it safe. I'm gonna use this. Okay. I think I'm gonna take some of the yellow too that I used a little bit at the top. I think that looks cute, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so I did the bottom lash line. I'm gonna do my inner corner. I really like this silver. I just don't know if it's gonna be too much, but let's see. It's kind of chunky. Let me spray it. It's pretty. I just don't know if I like it with this look, but I'm gonna just go ahead and even it out and then kind of cover it with like a gold color. I'm gonna just do I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. I already scraped it. This is the new like blush gems color. And let me just go in with that on top of it. It covered it a little bit. I don't know why this one's not as blinding as the other ones. This is Moonlight Pearls I'm gonna throw on top.
I don't think too much, because I did notice it kind of gave me like a gray cast on my face.
I feel like that's not enough though, so I'm gonna add this Physicians Formula one.
A little bit better. This is definitely more gold. I don't know what I want to do for my lips.
I'm gonna be right back after I do my lip. Say hi guys! I am all done. I just sprayed my face, so I'm gonna change real quick and then I'll show y'all when I'm finished and all dry. All right guys, so I am all done with my makeup. I put on a shirt to kind of match it. I am not used to this lip color, so I feel kind of weird in it. The eyes though, I think turned out really good. Okay, this one's a little patchy right there, but it's probably because my hooded lids and they rub. The eyelashes are still on. I think they look good. I just have to get used to this thick band. 3 highlighters later, and my highlight looks really good, I think. Yeah, I think the new brushes that I tried out were really good. The eyeshadow primer, I don't really know if that did anything. Like just regular concealer or like even foundation and setting that kind of does the job, but I guess I'll kind of see like how my foundation wears throughout the rest of my day. Unfortunately the sun is not out, so I can't really like show y'all. Well, I guess it looks a little better, but I don't know, do you guys like it? How did I do? It took me forever, but I got it done. This is so weird. Like I love doing eyeshadow. I just don't know where to go, and then it takes me forever to do it, and then I'm so indecisive. Like, I don't know. I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this whole video. If you made it this far, please give me a thumbs up if you like my look. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to me yet. And yeah, we hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.